Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to get your Iceland phone number from KrispCall. With Iceland's phone number, you can make and receive calls, send SMS messages, and receive OTPs for verifying accounts on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. To purchase an Iceland phone number from KrispCall, visit krispcall.com and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Access My Numbers either by clicking the plus icon or navigating through the Settings menu. Click on Purchase New Number. Choose Iceland from the list of countries. Select your desired number type and click Buy Number. Provide a name for your selected number and add it to your card. You must provide a local document containing your ID and address to get the Iceland phone number. Click on Confirm Purchase. If the number is unavailable on the KrispCall dashboard, you can contact our live chat support team to get the Iceland number. Note that getting the Iceland number may take up to a few days. Once you get an Iceland phone number, you will be able to make and receive calls, as well as send and receive messages. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified callbox, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.